Hi, today on Enso Homestead, we're looking back at the past year. I can't believe we've been in the house a year already, but if you're interested in our journey, here's a recap. Here's year 7. We cleared out our storage unit and got to move in just before Christmas last year. Starlink arrived and brought us high-speed internet. We got the RV road ready and safely drove it back to California. A lot of firewood was cut in preparation for this winter, and we started working on some projects. Corinne started refinishing a bunch of furniture that she got on Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. I found somebody selling a workbench frame, so I made a tabletop for it out of 2x6s. We experienced some loss, but Lily completed her star chart and earned a fish. We hosted Thanksgiving, and shortly after we got 9 inches of snow. The power went out, and after hooking up the backup generator, some of the circuits kept tripping. I found out that our old generator was producing higher than normal voltage and had to take it in for repair. Power came back on and the snow melted. We made biltong and got to enjoy many fires.